this work for you?
Oh, because it's a combination of something really, really fun and something that has like amazing benefits. You know, so. Oh yeah. Well, actually, even having fun is a benefit. You know.
Exactly.
So, gets your body in really great shape. You get to become more sensitive to moving and controlling different muscles in your body that you didn't even know you could control. Like the way that you, after a while, you'll learn how to move it up and down on the body, and what that takes to do that, like what muscles it takes. Whew.
Nice.
And then also it benefits the breath.
Sure, because you're controlling your breathing.
Yeah, just like in yoga, when you go ahead and take an inhale and then an exhale, it feels different in your body, and you can then move your body in different ways with your breath and get more results.
Would you like to dance with it to music?
Yeah, well, that's what makes it fun. If I just go ahead and hoop without music, it ends up feeling a little bit like exercise, you know? But if I put the music on, the time just kind of floats by. It's more fun. You get more into the present moment. Yeah. Okay. I don't have anything else to say.